got a sweater on. I'm so excited. It's chilly outside. No, it's downright cold. And you know me, I'm Patti Allred, and I love to wear jeans and just big shirts, big sweaters. Yes. And yes, my hair is wet. I just got out of the shower a little bit ago, but that's okay. Look, I want to hop in here and just tell you, you don't need to. You don't need to know the whole plan. You don't need to know the whole system. And this goes for anything. Anything, business, life, whatever. Just your daily walk. You don't need to know the whole plan. What you need to do is just the next thing. Do the next thing, do the right thing, and keep doing the next thing, and you'll get to where you're supposed to be. When you fail is when you don't do it. When you think, oh, I've got to know the end results before I can even start. No. Listen, we don't need to know the whole thing. We need to just know what's right for us, and we need to keep marching to the plan and do what's right and do it daily. Every day. Just start your day out doing what needs to be done, and then when you get that done, do the next thing that needs to be done. I know I keep repeating myself, but it's that simple. We just, some reason or another, we like to make things hard. Yeah, there's coming a day and a time when we'll know the end results. But don't wait. Don't think you need to wait to get started. Don't think you need to know the end results before you get started. Let me say that right. Did that come out right? Just do it. Just do it. Look, I'm pulling for you in everyday life. I'm pulling for you in your business. You know I'm here for you. You know my thing. It's choose happy no matter what. Choose happy. Do those steps. Do the do. Drop me a comment. Excuse me. Let me know what's going on. Let me know your feelings. And hey, you know I have a TV show out. I just did my another episode yesterday, so it'll be up and running soon. I'll drop the link to it below. But find the link somewhere, wherever this is. Click it. Come say hey. Check out my website, pattiallred.com, PattiAllred.com. Hey, you might even find something in there that you can use. Got a lot of freebies in there to help you. I'm here for you. I love you. We're in this together, and we will support each other and get through everything. Go make it a great day, and I will see you next time.